From this equation, this is the find the value of x. What is the value of x? First we can write this is the take the LCM. So this is the 2000 and this is the 2000 and this is the plus 1. So there is the 2000. And now this is the value of this. And now there is the 2000 of 1 and there is the 2000 and this is, and this we can write the minus, and this is we can the minus 1 into minus 1 is a plus 1. So this is plus 1 into this 2000. This is the total is this minus 1 and minus 1 is plus 1 and this is, so we can write this, and from there we can write this is the 2000 of 1 and this is the 2000 and this is we can write the minus 1 and this is minus 1 has here and this is the minus 2000 and this is the minus 1. So this is the inverse. So this is the inverse. This is the 2000 and this is the 2000 of 1. This is the minus 2000. And so this is 2000. So we can write, so this is, we can write this 2000. We can write the 2000 of 1 minus 1. This 2000 we can write, and there is the 2000 of 1 and this is the minus 1000, and there we can write this is the divide. So there is 1 and this is the 1 of 2000 of 1. This is the minus 2000 and there is the 1 and this is the plus and this is the, we can write the minus of 2000 over 1. This is, we can write this, and there is the 1 and there is the plus and there is the, this minus we can write minus 2000 over 1 and this minus 2000. So there is, we can write the minus 2001 plus 1. So this is the cut plus minus, this is the value of this. So from here we can write this, and this is the similar, there is the 1 and there is the plus, there is the 1 and this is the x is this and there is the x is this and there is the plus 1. So this is the similar. So we can write the x value. So we can write the x value, this x value is minus 2001. This is the x value. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.